Today we're gonna bring some pool lights. If you guys can see, very beautiful pool lights. Now they do come with a charging station. This is a magnetic charging station. There is no components or anything at the plug or anything. Now they give you the backing for it, right? And included with it the glue. So you could paste this in your pool, and this is gonna permanently stay there. And all you gotta do is slide these in there, and that's pretty much it. Now the button, if you guys can see, it's a strong button. So they're not fully charged right now. We're gonna actually charge them, put them in the pool, but you just turn on the button here and they turn on, and then you can remote into them and change the RGB lighting to the effects as you want. So we're gonna set these up, a couple of them up, and we're gonna see how they look in the pool. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, check out the lights, guys. We're gonna remote into them. Look at that. Change them. Strobe.